Okay, I create a music license agreement for you. We're gonna talk about it so you can get a general idea how it technically works. So when you look at the music license agreement, you are technically giving someone the license to use your music. Like I talk about it in a lot of videos. When you create a music, you have copyright on it, and the copyright gives you the right to make it public and the right to make a copy. You can give people the right to use it. We call that a license, and that license, you can put some terms on it. So you're saying you're allowed to use this if you meet the condition. That's technically it. So this is a music license agreement. So you create an agreement. You said, okay, you're allowed to use my music if you do this, this, this. How does it work, the structure? At the beginning, you see the name of the parties. So who's going to sign the contract, right? The agreement. And then why you create the license and what's the goal of the license and what is exactly the license. So what are the terms? We put it in here. And the compensation. So when you give someone a license, they need to pay you compensation. So money for it, royalty, call it whatever you want. You need to pay for it. It can be a membership or it can be a one-time payment. It's up to you. And then people need to sign it. The thing is, you need to keep in mind, this is your personal license. If you have your own website, you can put it on the website. If you have a copy page, you can put this as a term on a copy page. But if you have platforms, sometimes they have their own terms. You need to read that. Or if you have a question about it, you can just ask me on Discord. The link is in the description. Ask me on Discord. I will look at it and see what I can help you or not. So platforms have their own terms. You need to watch out for that. But you can create your own music license agreement and you can give it to other people when they use your beat. So in the link in the description, you'll find a music license agreement. It's a template. You can buy it on a coffee page. If you have a question about it, feel free to go on Discord and ask me. If you're new to this channel and you like this kind of video, seriously, subscribe. Subscribe right now. I hope you like this video and I will see you in the next one.